Okay, this is going to be a brief video on some absolute value inequality applications. Okay, so Victor has a goal of making $75 per week at his after-school job. Last month he was within $6.50 of his goal. Okay, so the key is the within. Okay, all right. That's going to go after whatever that within the range. Sometimes it will say within, sometimes it will say range, okay, or it will, between, okay, somewhere in there. That's going to go after the inequality, okay, the absolute value. And then what the other part's going to be is going to be minus, that other part's going to go inside of here, okay. So when I go to solve this, okay, we remember from absolute value inequalities. Okay, I'm going to create 2. I'm going to flip the inequality, make that negative. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add 75, add 75. Okay, that's going to be, x is going to be less than or equal to 81.50. Okay, and I'm going to add 75 over here. Okay, x is going to be greater than or equal to negative 6.5 plus 75, 68.5. Okay, all right. So these are the maximum amount. That's going to be the minimum amount. Okay, because it's greater than. All right. Just keep it that simple. All right. Okay, a butcher requires that steak be no more than 4 ounces off a typical 18-ounce steak. This can either the steak can either be bigger or smaller. Once again, this is like my range, okay? That's going to be 4, all right? This 18 is going to go inside of here. And so what that means as far as an equation goes, it splits it. So sort of what you're trying to your range or what you're trying to, your goal, okay? Like all that is what's going to go after that inequality, okay? Greater than negative 4. Okay, so add 18, add 18. X is less than or equal to 22, add 18, x is greater than or equal to 14. So this is the minimum the steak could be, this is the maximum the steak could be, okay? If you read it back to yourself, it's no more than 4 ounces off a typical steak, so either way, all right? Absolute value means distance, okay? All right? And you can go ahead and try the problems that are in Go Formative.